So we are now here at the Kimchi and I wasn't able to vlog a while ago during at the cosmetic shop because the lady over there told me that it's not allowed to take videos and photos. But I'll make a haul about the things that I bought in that store, and now I'm gonna show you what's around here in this kimchi making school, and we get to wear Hanbok.
Everyone can come closer this way, please. Okay. Welcome. Everyone come to our Korea house. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Thank you, everyone. This is a museum about the seaweed and the kimchi. So today we can try some delicious seaweed food, and later we have the kimchi class, and I will show you how to make the Korean kimchi later. Right now, everyone can follow me this way, please. Okay, this is. Okay, everyone, give me a come closer. You can see this way first. This is a map of Korea, and right now everyone we are at here. Everyone can see in this map has some right point. This area has the seaweed farm and the seaweed factory in Korea, but here is a very famous Jolin in the province. Here have a so high percent because here have a clean water and a very suitable for hot with seaweed. So seaweed in Jolin and that is a very famous. And everyone you can see here. This is a video about how to harvest the seaweed. We have the seaweed farm in Jolin, and so you can see what about the seaweed farm. This one is a seaweed farm, and our farm use a machine to harvest the seaweed. And this one, red seaweed. And this is seaweed we need to cut into small pieces because this is the raw one. And so we need to cut into small pieces and clean in the water, dry it in the sun. Finally, we will send to the factory, and after high temperature baking, finally this will seaweed then become the square one. And then you can make it bun, make sushi, or make some seaweed soup. Use the seaweed like this. This one is for raw seaweed. And everyone, you can see around, you can see the raw seaweed put on the machine first. And you can see she put the raw seaweed on the machine first. And then the seaweed should be mixed with some sesame oil and the spice some salt. And after 2 times high temperature baking, finally the seaweed becomes the crispy one. And this one with the sesame oil flavor. So actually this one crispy, no need to cooking. You just
Talaga nga pag kimchi.
안녕하세요. Okay. Okay, one person for one plate, please. Yeah, and everyone, you can wear the gloves, plastic gloves. The cabbage kimchi, the first part, and it's a big cabbage, and then you can use knife cut into small part first, and then you can get some sea salt. Put the sea salt into the cabbage layers, and open every layer. Put the sea salt put inside, and then we keep this cabbage keep in the box, and then with about 6 hours. After 6 hours, you can prepare some clean water to wash, and after wash, the cabbage become like this, and this one is a salty one. And you can see the right color, this one is a kimchi sauce. You can see here have so many ingredients like the garlic and this one ginger. And garlic and ginger can fry to small pieces. And the radish and the carrots you can cut into small one, the longer one. And the next one there's a spring onion and the onion also chop. Okay, all the ingredients you can mix together. And everyone, if you want a more healthy, you can put the ginseng. And this one also very good for our healthy. You can cut into small pieces inside. And this one, sesame oil. You can put.
So now I am wearing this Hanbok, and we're gonna take some photos outside. And Just like this over here. So I changed back into my clothes already, and we just finished using Hanbok. And now we're going back to the bus. And I'll just insert some photos on the video. Hi everyone, so we just arrived here at Desert 39 and we're gonna watch a chef show. I'm not sure what's it about, but I am seeing a guy with abs. So I'm excited and curious about what's the show about. So we're inside already, and unfortunately we're not allowed to take videos during the performance. We just had dinner and it's freezing cold now, and we are going back to the bus from the bus. Hi everyone, so we're going to Myeongdong and now we're here at, I forgot the name of the station. It is Janghapyeong, and we only have 3 hours of shopping to Myeongdong tomorrow. So we decided to go there tonight so that we can fix our luggage, and because it's a hassle if we fix our luggage tomorrow since we will be going to the airport right after going around, and that's about it. So I'll update you guys again later if I get to Myeongdong.
The streetfood Hanbok is approaching. 승객 여러분께서 내 사람이 모두 한 차례로 안전하게 승차하시기 바랍니다.
Diyan, papupunta tayo na dito.
Hi, so we're here at Myeongdong and it's very cold. There's a big possibility that I will end up using my money with food. Now that we're here, I'm not sure what I'm going to buy.
Bye.